Good morning, this is Kasturi Day. Today I am going to continue with the question answer series of the energy chapter class 8 syllabus of ICSE. Okay, so I'm starting with today with the choose the most correct answer. First is water stored in the tank on the top of the roof has potential energy. Okay, the work done by a body is the product of force and displacement. The rate of doing work is called power. The SI system unit of energy is joule. The energy possessed by a body due to motion is kinetic energy. In steam or diesel engines, the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Next, burning of wood is an example of conversion of chemical energy into heat and light energy. Burning of wood, conversion of heat and light energy. Chemical energy into heat and light. Okay. Burning of paper is an example of conversion of both C and D, that is both B and C. B is chemical energy into heat energy and chemical energy into light energy. Here also chemical energy is being converted to heat and light energy. Next is the ultimate source of energy on a planet Earth is our sun. The cause of water cycle in nature is solar energy. Then strong winds turn the blades of the wind turbine because it possesses kinetic energy. When a person speaks in front of a microphone, the sound energy which we speak in front of the microphone, the sound energy changes into electrical energy. A strong current of water which turns the blades of water turbine because it possesses kinetic energy. Then which one is the more odd amongst the following in terms of kinds of energy? Shooting star, a blowing wind, flowing water, they'll all possesses kinetic energy, whereas stone on the top of the hill has potential energy. So the odd one is here the stone which is on the top of the hill, which is having potential energy. Now, which one is the odd amongst the following in terms of kinds of energy? First is, see, we are here, it is written 4 options, that is water stored in the roof of the tank. Second is the compressed spring of a toy gun, a stretched bow and arrow system, and a speeding car. The first 3, that is water stored in the roof of the tank, a compressed spring of a toy gun, a stretched bow and arrow system, this all possesses potential energy. Okay, but the third one, the fourth one, that is the speeding car, this has kinetic energy. So that one is the odd one out. Okay, now 30 joules work is done when a force of F causes a displacement of 5 meters. The magnitude of force is what? See, work done is 30 joule, displacement is 5 meters. Force will be work done is equal to force into displacement. Okay, so 50 if it is the work done, so force will be 6 Newton. So B is the answer. When is the work done in the following situation? A boy pushing a wall, a girl carrying a school bag on her shoulders, a stone falling, a boy climbing up the stairs. See, the third and the fourth, there is the work done. Why? First case, boy is pushing the wall. When he is pushing the wall, he is not able to move the wall. That is, therefore, no displacement is there. So work done will be 0. In the second case, a girl carrying a school bag on her shoulders. When she is carrying a school bag on the shoulders, she is walking perpendicular to the direction of the force. The forces of gravity of the girl is acting downwards. Okay, and is working perpendicular to the force of the action, direction of the force of the action. So therefore her work done will also be 0. Therefore in the third case, a stone is falling downwards. So the displacement is towards down, so there is work done. A boy climbing up the stairs, there also the boy is against the uh, I mean, yeah, the force of gravity, against the force of, but he is doing some work, he is displacing himself, therefore the work will be done. So D is the answer, where three and third case and fourth case are the work is done. Then for the next question, no work is done by a force if the body does not move. Okay. Two coolies A and B do some work in time 1 minute and 2 minutes. A does in 1 minute, B in 2 minutes. The power spent in is same for both the coolies, is more by the coolie A and then the B, is less by the coolie A than the B, and nothing can be said. See, when the two coolies are acting, in the first case, the A coolie takes 1 minute. So power will be what? W by 1. In the second case for B, the power will be W by 2. So in comparison, it will be what will be? It will be that the answer B will be the answer, because A is more, power of A is more in coolie A than in B. Okay, so A has more power than B. Next is the expression of power P is P is equal to mgh, P is equal to half mv square, P is equal to F into D, or P is equal to F into D by T. P is equal to 2 by T, we know. Okay, work done by time, and work done is what? Force into displacement by time. So the D will be the answer, that is F into D by T. 1 horsepower is equal to what? 1 watt. I mean 746 watt, sorry. The answer will be D, 746 watt. 1 watts power, 1 HP is 746 watt. When a boy doubles his speed, his kinetic energy becomes what? 4 times. Okay, kinetic energy formula is half mv square, where v stands for the speed. So his speed doubles, so his kinetic energy will become 4 times. A boy lifts up a luggage from a height 2 meters to 4 meters. The potential energy will become double. Okay, height increases, height becomes double, so potential energy also doubles. Next we come to some short and long answers. Okay, so first we define work. Work is said to be done if the force applied on a body moves it. There's some movement in it. When does a force perform work? When a force causes displacement in its direction, in its own direction, it performs work. State two conditions when no work is done by a force: when there is no change in position or no motion occurs even after application of the force, or when the body on which the force is applied moves in the direction perpendicular to the direction of the force, then no work is done. Okay, in which case of the following cases is work being done? A boy pushing a heavy rock, a boy climbing up the stones, a coolie standing with a box on his head, a girl moving on the road. In which work is being done? B and D case, where the boy is climbing up the stairs, and in the D case a girl moving on the road. Okay, other two cases, boy is pushing a heavy rock, he is not able to displace that rock, so no work is done. A coolie is standing with a box on his head, also he is standing with his on his head, he is not moving at all, so there is no displacement, no work is done. Okay, next, a coolie is moving on a road with the luggage on his head. Does he perform work against the force of gravity? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, he performs work against the force of gravity. Okay, against his own weight. Okay, that is his own weight. It is so because the distance moved by him is perpendicular normal to his weight, So his displacement due to the force is not in the direction of the force. Therefore, work done is 0 here. Now the moon is revolving around the earth in a circular path. How much work is done by the moon? In this motion, the force of attraction on moon by the earth is always normal to the direction of the motion of the moon. The motion of the moon is circular. So every time the earth moves, the moon moves around the earth, the direction will be normal to the direction of the force of motion of the moon. So no work is being done by the gravitational force of the earth on the moon. Work done will be 0. Now write an expression of work done by a force. Work done is equal to force into distance moved in the direction of the force, or you can say W is equal to F into small d. Next, state the SI unit of work and define it. SI unit of work is joule, J, capital J, where 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. So, 1 joule of work is said to be done if 1 Newton force, when acts on a body, moves it by 1 meter in the direction of force. In the direction of the force. Okay. Now state two factors on which the work done on a body depends: the magnitude of the force applied and the distance moved by the body in the direction of the force. Okay, so I'll stop here. I'll continue with the next in my next video, the rest of the questions. Please go through this. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box. Please go through the text videos. The links will be provided to you in the description box. Okay, so I hope you are liking the videos and wishing you a very happy Dashera. Okay, so please do like the videos, share with your friends so that they can also be benefited from this videos. And if you are a new viewer to my channel or not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Thank you.